Welcome viewers to Startup News. I am your host Aishwarya. My Startup TV is the world's first online TV channel for startups, investors and enablers. On the My Startup TV app, you can watch live startup news, views and debate. If you have a story, we will cover it. Download the app now. Top headlines for today are: Ola Electric to raise $1 billion. Indian startups raised $20 billion in funding in 2021. Crypto Relief donates $15 million to UNICEF India. Now the news in detail are: Ola Electric is in talks to raise $1 billion from strategic and financial investors. The firm has hired JP Morgan to raise the new round of investment. It will use the funds to acquire business in the EV sector. Indian startups have raised over $20 million from global investors in the year 2021. This can be largely attributed to the pandemic-led digital adoption, record stock market listings, and regulatory crackdowns in China. Crypto Relief is going to partner with UNICEF India and the Ministry of Health and Family Welfare to procure 160 million syringes for faster deployment of vaccines in India. Crypto Relief has donated $15 million to UNICEF India for the same. Union Minister for Labour and Employment Bhupender Yadav has launched eShram portal. The portal will help in maintaining a database of 38 crore workers in the unorganized sector. Nazara Technologies has acquired Hyderabad-based skill gaming company OpenPlay for about ₹186 crores. This acquisition will help Nazara entering the real money gaming sector. ION's vehicle Caster Bidco has raised £2 billion in a bid to buy out investors in Italy's Served. The company seeks to take control of credit data and information group. Gold loan platform India Gold has raised $12 million from PayU, the fintech arm of Prosus and Alpha Wave Incubation Fund. Advantage Club has raised $1.7 million from Y Combinator, Broom Ventures and Cred founder Kunal Shah. The funds will be used to boost international business and for growth initiatives. Amazon.com-backed electric vehicle company Rivian is seeking a valuation of around $70 to $80 billion in its initial public offering. Kochi-based startup CodeLattice will be creating 100 jobs immediately for software developers. It has bagged a build, own, operate, transfer contract to set up a center for excellence for fresh-to-home UAE. That's all for today. We have over 400 startups and MSME shows on our TV channel. Do check out. My Startup TV is now available on Google Play Store, so you can get all the latest news on startups and MSMEs on the move. You can also support us by subscribing to our TV channel and do not forget to press the bell icon. You can follow us on Koo, Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn or visit our website www.mystartuptv.in. Thanks for watching.